product of the group, but we are very proud of them because in the Chicago Hispanic Community for Peace we're training leaders. So this is the first challenge for Santiago and Antonia to teach the divine principle. And after 1 year, they were able to make it. So they are the teacher of this couple. So we have Marisol and Hugo Paz, who received the divine principle for 1 year education from Santiago and Antonia, and now this couple has received the blessing. They're married with 3 kids. She's working as a bank teller, and he works also in the school, Hugo. This is a very nice couple. They're very direct. He said, I don't want to change my religion, but I like to save my family. So here I am. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marisol.
Gracias a todos por estar aquí esta noche y esto lo estoy haciendo por mis hijos y por mi esposa, porque quiero que tengamos una vida mejor. Gracias.
Thank you for our family, for our children, and thank you all very much for being here. I just want to thank everyone for being here. I want to thank my uncles, Santiago and Tania Torres, for teaching us and bringing us together. Thank you.
Thank you, Rodrigo and Marisol. The most important for this